this parable where they always they talk say stone where they beat the first wife, now they go still they beat the second wife. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Enuela and Chidi. Hey, my people, oh, una remember Chidi where they art film for Lollywood now producer too. Una remember Enuela where he mouth he big small, he lives big small. So we go snatch Chidi for his wife and now Lollywood actress too. And many of una go remember this story. We be say this Chidi fair marry before. This Chidi if I marry before. My people, I say this life you waiting say now your own go come good. Waiting the first wife go, it not work. You confess say na your own I go work. Eja sorrow. My people, una remember this story now? Don't they? When this Chidi fair marry, so this a beautiful wife. He come born 3 boys for him. And I know say Igbo people know they use boys speaking they play. Come born 3 boys for Chidi. Chidi now, 2 of them come dey together. The woman fine, very beautiful and fair woman, natural fair, without bleaching. 2 of them come dey. Even when Chidi married this woman that time, this woman can't stop to the art film. Many of you are going to remember this story that year. So, what it make me they do this video now be say, you know, not say Chidi can't leave the woman. You can't, after I don't know Enuela. Before then, this woman, when the cry come and say, Chidi they carry Enuela. Say, that time where be say, Chidi can't they always they future Enuela for a film where. So he come they ask Enuela, say, you they date my husband? He say no. He say because in the year rumor say 12 now. The one that they do if una go shoot film. He said, no, may not mind them a rumor. May not mind them. The wife can say, okay, no problem. No, he say, they read, they carry Enuela. If they read, they date Enuela. So when the wife can't find out, say they read the date, wahala can't be like bicycle. Now the woman can say, it not go fit again. Say if they carry money go they spend, give this girl for outside. Enuela, but they can the cash and can't go use Enuela, do introduction, do everything. And then Enuela, a person with me like that time, I can say, this girl, what you do so it's not good. You don't go snatch Pesin husband. After 3 children, boys, she called the writer at that time say the girl not the Mona list you. He said the lady not the take care of your husband well. Your husband say go use hunger. He use hunger take finish am. You know they take care of her well. Now so na bad wife, na he cause am. Now people come they say, you never see enter the marriage. Oh. What did the man tell you? Now you take the judge so. You never enter. May you know whether na truth or not. You dey judge the woman. He said no. Now what did the man talk? So the woman come they cry that time. Because the marriage of how many years? And I remember I say when Chidi know this woman can't stop to the art film that time. That his first wife. So that's why they can't do the woman. Oh. So till they ever put life for the woman head say Chidi go they cheat. Now this Enuela man that with the year all that time. So not do the woman can't leave the marriage. You can't leave Enuela. Enuela come mad, the man can't marry Enuela. You can't go put money for Enuela head. You can't do everything. Enuela can't even get belle. Can't born baby girl for Chidi. So my people, what you gonna make me to do this topic now? One Benin parable say, oh manu ya one double give away be working on us no. You see what you plan for another person. Now your body now go happen. Now be this Enuela also. Enuela now don't leave the marriage now as I talk to Nana. Enuela don't leave the marriage now as I talk to Nana. What did she complain for? The man don't carry another fake fine Nollywood actress again. Now Enuela don't cry come out now say, they marry again. Say because the man they cheat on. I was like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This woman. Maybe think say your make us na kori tutu. How come you not come? You now come say you not they marry again. You for the manager like that now. So now the cheating now that can make you come out. Eja sorrow. So now the cheating that make you come out now. Maybe think say you too nice like your own at the highest. How come? What it can happen? What did they play? What it can make you now want leave your marriage now? As I talk to Nana, Enuela don't leave the man or he don't come out. Say no, they marry again. No. Then the ex woman come talk say, I bet you say you be the best before. How come the man can't leave you now? You will be the best. Be the best woman. How come now the man can't see as you find rich, the man can't still leave you now, go carry another fine girl? Eja. Is they pain? I think you don't see and now see. Not be all where they glitter, that be gold. Only one thing where they pay me for this Nollywood actress, they say they not get shame at all. Half shame like this, they not get. Half shame like this, they not get. Is it but this is the cash out. She not the shame for the matter. That made the thing they surprise me. This shit the way they do you. It's just they not do you this thing, a sickness to you. Where be say if you come up for one Nollywood actress, you enter another one. And the shameless girl, especially they follow you to self. Now then I see blame. You see what he do to you. You want to enter. Okay, now your own I go come better pass now. Now wow. Not the way person go see for the social media. Sha. This shit you don't pass Jerome. Really. This is your own. Only you one. Go see the first wife. Say fine. That one said don't marry one big man. Big man. She do what's they call that this thing where near don't go do. Wait a bon picky. Now she do. Take born twins for the man. Now wow. So my people, more now watch this video. More now let me share the video. Say waiting you the first wife see when they come out. The second wife, she be you don't see and now you don't come out now. Eja.